Hi, I'm going to try to record a video about how I make my pound cake. You will need 1 pound of butter, 3 cups of sugar, 3 cups plus 2 tablespoons of flour, 8 large eggs, a sprinkle of salt, and a tablespoon of vanilla flavoring. Okay, you start out by having your butter at room temperature and use a stand mixer to mix this. Don't try to mix it with a hand mixer because hand mixer doesn't have enough really power to beat a pound cake like it should be beat, in my opinion. So start by creaming your butter, which is at room temperature, and add your sugar a cup at a time. Get that all blended nicely, and then start adding your eggs. Crack your eggs into a cup and add the eggs alternately with your flour. After you've added all of your eggs and your flour, put in your tablespoon of vanilla flavoring and continue beating while you grease your tube pan. You want to grease the sides and the stem of your tube pan with Crisco, solid Crisco, and then sprinkle it lightly with flour and smooth that all about till your pan is well coated. You don't want your cake to stick. And the whole time you're doing this, let your cake continue to beat. You have moved it up from the cream stage up to the blend stage, and you're beating it on about number 7 while you're greasing your pan. Okay, after you finish that, it's ready to go into a preheated 325-degree oven. Bake it for 60 minutes before you open the oven door, and then test it with a cake tester to see if it's done. If it's not done, keep baking it at 5-minute intervals and test it until the tester comes out clean. When it's done, take it out of your oven, set it out to cool, let it cool at least 20 minutes. Then after that, take your spatula and run it around the sides of your pan and around the sides of the tube in the middle of your cake pan and loosen it up. Then turn it out onto a plate, a round plate, and then right back onto your cake plate. And then let it cool a little while and slice it and have a piece and enjoy it. Let me know if you try this and if you like this pound cake or if you have any questions. This is my Aunt Florence's recipe. Good luck and good night.